Welcome back. Got some goodies to process every day. Never stops. Even if it's raining. Well, sometimes on Sundays. Sundays I take off. Sometimes. I'll get bored. But I got stuff that we broke down at the farm. Bring it back here to the cool basement. Clean it up. Okay, gotta get this piece of metal off of here. 2 screws. 3 screws. And then this kit right here, the one that goes into here, I dropped it and it's gone. So I just ordered another one this morning. So now we gotta do it the hard way. It's not that difficult, but well, I say that, but now it wants to be difficult. Never fails. We'll see. Well, maybe. Oh wait. What am I doing? I'm doing this backwards, as usual. There's no screws. What's grabbing it? What's hanging on? Oh, that's what's hanging on. That nut. I had someone ask me what size is that nut. I don't know. But I would need a really thin wall socket. Not maybe so much on this the way it is here, but sometimes when they're grouped up a lot tighter, standard socket would not work. But oh, that's plastic. That's no good. Made it. And now I don't have to worry about taking those off. Let's pop this metal cover off and see what's underneath here. It's going to be difficult. It's going to be easy. It's probably soldered on there. That's right. Yep, it's soldered on here. Get that out of the way. There we go. Do you have to do this? I don't know. But for the sake of the video, we're doing it. That's steel, shreddy. See what? We want that crystal oscillator. Quartz crystal oscillator. Pop that heat sink off of there. Clean aluminum. And we got this chip. That's it for that low grade board, or maybe mid, most likely low because it has nothing going on the back. Still 40 cents a pound. Alright, let's get the rest of these wires cleaned up. I see trace amounts of gold in there, so that'll go in the gold pin bucket. Because every little bit counts. Those plugs should be brass. Yeah. So I can throw these in with the dirty brass. We're good. Everyone's doing okay. For all my Canadian friends, I think it was happy. Your happy day was the first. That's not really the happy day. I forgot what it was called, but basically like our 4th of July that's coming up. It's only because this heat sink is so long, it's worth it to go after. So I'll go after it. I generally stop doing low-grade boards for now. When I get slowed down again and it's freezing cold or raining out, we'll go back to them. Ooh. Come on. I should pop that capacitor out of the way, but I'm doing it the wrong way. I got it. Get my shirt off of there. Mercy. Gotta get me a pair of low profile side cutters. I mean, some chemical or pneumatic air chisel would be awesome. I think Mrs. Scorpion wanted to hear that in the basement, though. There we go. Get that rest of that screw off for that MOSFET. Clean up that piece of metal. You want clean. If you're going to do all this work, might as well get clean. Although extrusion is low, technically it's MLC, but we don't get that price, which pays better in some parts of the country. There we go. Nah. Maybe Scorpion will change his mind and we'll not hang on to the thousands of pounds we have for melting. We'll take some in. I kid. What's stuck in there? Oh, goodness. There we go. There's another one. And that one can stay. I'm good. Like I said, I'm busy again, so don't really have the details. Let's get this wire off of this piece. Ferrite cover. Thread, wire, snippy, watch the fingers. This is what I'll be doing for the rest of it, well, a couple hours. I got other things to do today. Other plans. That's that. Ow. Oh, I broke a fuse and didn't even realize it. Great. Got some busted glass on the table. Yeah, gloves would help. I don't like wearing gloves. I like wearing gloves for the safety of it, but not as far as the too bulky on my hands. I'm not used. Just it takes time to get used to wearing gloves, you know. Some people have to have them, and some people can be all right without them. You know, a little nick, I'll be all right. All right, what's next? I got a whole barrel full here. Yeah, we're just gonna turn the wires on these. The new guy, he'll be down later. I'll let him show him what we take off these boards. So, the new guy, yeah, the young Jedi. All right. Get this piece of metal off of here. All this stuff come off of TVs, flat screens, whatnot. Well, that's a gold corner BGA, so that just went up to not low grade, probably low grade peripheral, I'm thinking. Yeah. It all goes in one box, and we'll worry about it. We'll worry about it later. Don't have the room for it all. All the different categories. It would take a lot of room for all this micro scrap. Oh man! Hold on. I'm hung up on something or other. Woohoo! There we go. Dishwasher control panel. Nice. We'll break that down later. Just get the plug off of here for now. It is easier. It's easier. And these are brass. So if I trim them that close, you ought to consider that clean. So $1.90 a pound, we get them as clean as we can versus $1.30 a pound or $1.50. I'm not sure which. Try to get it clean all the time. Pay attention to clean prices. That's the door lever switch. So there'll be a switch in there because there's these 4 contactors going in there. So there's probably, yeah, right here there's 2 switches. So they'll have technical silver, so I'll break that down at a later date. All right, got the timer. There's another motor right there. Well, that was easy. Sweet. I'll save that for another video because that's a lot of goodies in there. One thing, if you're getting into YouTube and you're like, oh, all I got is big stuff, well, break it down and you got millions of videos. Hundreds of videos. Hundreds of videos you can make out of one thing. Plastic off of here. Sorry, I forget about the camera sometimes and pull stuff away. Clip here. There we go. And I pop all these other clips off, which I'm not going to show you that. And then we'll have clean wire. Throw the plastic away. Steel plug, something different. What's next? A couple more things and we'll wrap this video up. Oh my goodness. Definitely another TV. There we go again, pulling it away. Low grade. Power supply. All kinds of goodies on here. got a lot of clean aluminum. Well, once you process it. Copper, yeah. So it'd be a good board to break down and process and hang on to. Well, I mean, as far as breaking down this, you turn this in, it's 40 cents a pound. This probably weighs, maybe 2 pounds, so there's 80 cents. Like I said, aluminum's down right now. I think it's like 70 cents, or maybe less. Well, so you're not gonna get what you'd get for taking this board in. You'd make more money versus breaking this down. But if you have hundreds of these boards, in the long run, you'll make more money. Unless your time is valuable, which, you know, all our time is valuable. But if you're in the scrap game to make money, you're not doing this. You're doing big stuff, buying scrap, constantly turning it over, because you have to turn it over to make a profit. This is more or less kind of hobbyist. Got a little bit of time, we can do it. It's what your preference is. Alright, thanks a lot for watching. Take care and God bless.